Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is French Anne again. So today ay mag-unbox tayo. Bagong-bago, naka-plastic pa siya at yung kanyang battery ay 6,000 mAh. So guys, let's start. Yan siya. Realme C15. Realme C15. Okay, let's start na guys. Tanggalin natin yung plastic. And open natin siya. Mabigat siya ha. Realme C15. Ayan. Hey, welcome to Realme family. Ayan. 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 What's inside is here, the manual and the case. Jelly case. Ganda yung jelly case. And she is. And this is the phone. Warning. This device only supports standard nano SIM card. Using non-standard SIM card may cause damage to your phone. The battery cannot be removed from the device. If you need to replace, please contact Realme authorized service center. So, yung battery niya is built-in. And nano ang kanyang SIM card. Yan siya. Meron po dyan. So, ayan yung kanyang charger. Well, andito tayo sa Malaysia, yung charger niya ay ganyan, tatluhan, and the cable. So, yun siya. So, yun guys, wait siya. So, open na natin. Wow! Ganda, diba? Siyempre, lagay natin yung jelly case. Unahin natin ito. Ayan. So, ayan. Napakaganda po niya. Ayan. Unboxing Realme C15. Thank you so much guys. Thank you so much for watching. And see you to my next vlog, my loves. Thank you.